What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing after watching the video, and I hope you guys like it. So today I'm gonna make something pretty easy, I'd say, something different from what I'm used to posting. I hope you guys stay tuned. Let's get started with the recipe. So we're gonna get started with our pasta, and I'm using the fettuccine. Also, here we go with the black pepper. I roasted a garlic. You can put more garlic if you like. 6 ounces of extra virgin olive oil. And let's get to grinding. Some pine nuts. Actually wish I would have put a little less, but that should be fine if you like pine nuts. And some chicken bouillon. And some shredded Parmesan cheese. You can add more, less, whatever you like. And grind that up. So we're gonna strain our noodles here, and with the same water, pasta water, we're gonna use it to blanch the spinach. Yes, I'm gonna be using spinach. I know the traditional way is to use the basil, but it's always hard for me to find basil at the stores that I shop. So I'm just gonna use the spinach, and believe if you like spinach, or if you're trying to eat a little bit healthier, well, not even only that, it's just, I mean, basil's not unhealthy, but spinach is something very common that you can find at a grocery store, so it was just easier for me to get the spinach, even though I'm not a big fan of spinach. But yeah, so let's just finish it off in a pot, warm it up, and just make sure it doesn't stick because it does have cheese, and mine got a little stuck, but it's okay. I just took it out right away, so it was fine after. No biggie. And we're gonna also add some chicken breast. I got some garlic salt here, or garlic powder, not salt. Some paprika, some black pepper, and some lemon. I love lemon with my chicken. It's so delicious. And look at that sear. Wow, looks great. So yeah, we're just gonna top this. We're gonna add this on top of our dish. Here we're plating it. There's that fettuccine, that pesto sauce. That looks delicious. I can't wait to actually make it with basil when I do find basil. I've been trying to grow it at home, but yeah, we'll see. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, please let me know down below in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, I mean, if you want, and also subscribe. Click that subscribe button. I know a lot of the viewers of the videos are not subscribed. It's usually people that just run into the videos, but I would really appreciate it if I get some support. And I hope you guys stay to the end of this video. Also, I've been working on a lot of recipes, and I've been trying to put out some recipes that are for a smaller amount, because I know that there are recipes out there that are for, you know, large families. And I mean, living in this in these times especially, we don't want to waste food and, you know, forget we have leftovers, even though some of us do eat leftovers, right? But sometimes I forget that I have leftovers. So, you know, and it just honestly, it hurts to throw food away. I'm always just like, God forgive me for throwing out this food. You know, it's this guilt, you know. So I don't want to do that. Click that subscribe button. I'll be creating recipes for 1 or 2 people, if it's just you and your partner, for yourself, you and your child, you know, just so you don't waste food. So I'll be working on some of those recipes. I think most of my recipes are gonna be for 1 or 2 people. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.